Hello students, and welcome to another grammar lesson for A-Level Spanish. In this video we will be looking at indefinite adjectives and pronouns. Indefinite adjectives. Contrary to definite adjectives, these are used to say how much of a noun there is in a sentence. However, it's not going to specify its exact quantity. Let's have a look at which ones they are. We have algún, which is used to say some. This is the masculine singular version. If we want to use the masculine version, we just say alguno. If we're using the feminine version, alternatively, we use alguna. However, if we want to say masculine plural, instead of saying algún, we use algunos. And if we're going to use the feminine plural, we say algunas, to say some. To say none, we say ningún as the masculine singular noun. To say it as the masculine standard noun is ninguno. The feminine version is ninguna. And to say every, we say cada. For example, algunos plátanos, that is to say, some bananas. Because bananas, which is plátanos, is both plural and masculine, we use the variation of some, which is algunos, for it. Now we're going to have a look at indefinite pronouns. These are pronouns that are used to specify something, but not with certainty. They are algo, which means something, alguien, meaning someone, and this is an example. For example, algo me ha tocado, meaning something has touched me. Here's another example for alguien. Alguien me lo ha dicho, meaning someone has told me it. Now we're going to have a look at some crossovers. These can be used as both adjectives and as pronouns. They are a lot, meaning mucho in Spanish, poco, which translates from a little, tanto, which means much, otro, which means other, cualquier, which means whichever, and varios, which means several. Be sure to know when you're pronouncing the B and the V in Spanish, because it's easy to mix which one. If you're pronouncing the B, be sure to exaggerate the B when you're saying the start of the verb. For example, if this were to be barrios, which would mean towns, instead of varios, which means several, you would say barrios. However, if you're saying varios, be sure to exaggerate the V before you say the word. For example, varios. For example, he comido muy poco. That is to say, I have eaten very little. You can test everything you've learnt now by having a go at answering these questions. On a separate sheet of paper, write them down and press pause on the video so you can have some time. Hit play whenever you're ready to continue. If you got all of these answers right, congratulations. I would advise you to move on to another video which you may not be unsure on. However, if you did get them all or some of them wrong, be sure to over-go over your notes once more or rewind the video to catch up on any missing information you may have seen. You can even revise from www.revisealevel.co.uk and feel free to have a look on it where you can revise from a wide range of subjects as well. As always, thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you again soon. Goodbye.